A kiss, a simple act, yet it speaks volumes. Across cultures and continents, it's a symbol of love, care, and respect. From the tender peck on a child's forehead to the passionate embrace of lovers, kissing transcends words. It's a universal language understood by hearts everywhere. Think of a mother's goodnight kiss, soothing away the day's worries, or the celebratory kiss shared between friends, a moment of pure joy and connection. These moments, big and small, remind us of the power of human touch. They tell us we are loved, we are cherished, we are not alone. In a world often dominated by technology and virtual connections, the kiss remains a powerful reminder of our shared humanity. It's a physical affirmation of our emotions, a bridge between souls. So the next time you feel the urge to express affection, don't hold back. Lean in and kiss. Believe it or not, kissing isn't just good for the soul, it's good for the body too. Science tells us that a passionate kiss can boost our immune systems. When we kiss, we exchange bacteria, which can actually strengthen our body's defenses against illness. It's like a mini workout for your immune system, but that's not all. Kissing also sets off a flurry of feel-good hormones. Dopamine, known for its role in pleasure and reward, surges through our veins. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone, strengthens our connection with our partner. And endorphins, our natural painkillers, leave us feeling happy and relaxed. So the next time you need a mood boost or a natural pain reliever, consider a kiss. It's a delightful way to take care of your physical and emotional well-being. Remember, a little affection can go a long way. The benefits of kissing extend far beyond the physical. A simple kiss can work wonders for our mental health. It's a natural stress reliever, melting away tension and worry. When we kiss, our brains release oxytocin, a hormone known for its calming effects. Studies have shown that kissing can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. This means that regular kissing can contribute to a more relaxed and balanced state of mind. Imagine a simple kiss, a natural antidote to the pressures of daily life. Beyond stress relief, kissing also strengthens our relationships. It fosters a sense of connection and intimacy, reminding us of the love we share with our partners. These moments of closeness contribute to a sense of belonging and security, essential ingredients for a happy and fulfilling life. Section 4. The power of touch, strengthening bonds, one kiss at a time. In a world that often feels increasingly disconnected, physical touch is more important than ever. Kissing, a powerful form of touch, strengthens the bonds we share with loved ones. It's a reminder of our shared humanity, a way to express love and care without saying a word. Think about the last time you received a heartfelt kiss. Didn't it make you feel loved, seen, and appreciated? That's the power of touch. It speaks to our deepest need for connection, reminding us that we are not alone. Whether it's a quick peck on the cheek or a lingering embrace, these moments of physical affection weave a tapestry of connection in our lives. They remind us of the importance of human touch, a fundamental need that nourishes our souls and strengthens our bonds. Section 5. Embracing affection, a prescription for a healthier, happier you. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to forget the simple yet profound power of affection. We get caught up in our to-do lists, our screens, and our busy schedules, often neglecting the very things that bring us joy and connection. But what if we made a conscious effort to incorporate more affection into our daily lives? Imagine a world where hugs were as common as handshakes, where kisses were freely exchanged between loved ones. A world where expressing affection was as natural as breathing. What if we embraced affection as a vital part of a healthy and fulfilling life? The science is clear. Affection is good for us. It boosts our immune systems, reduces stress, strengthens our relationships, and makes us happier. So let's make a commitment to embrace affection in all its forms. Let's kiss more, hug more, and remind each other that we are loved. Section 6. The kiss. A small gesture, a world of benefits, a kiss. It's such a small gesture, yet it holds within it the power to heal, to connect, and to bring joy. From boosting our immunity to strengthening our bonds, the benefits of kissing are undeniable. So let's not underestimate the power of this simple act of affection. In a world often starved for connection, let's make a conscious effort to kiss more. Let's kiss our partners, our children, our friends, and our families. Let's kiss with passion, with tenderness, and with gratitude. Let's make the world a more loving and affectionate place, one kiss at a time. The kiss, a small gesture, a world of benefits. Let's embrace it fully and experience the transformative power of love and affection in our lives.